guys, this is Powerslide, and today we are officially in the middle of nowhere, as you can see, and this is a really special and really fun filming day because we have really cool RC cars with us today, so yeah, should be exciting. Let me talk you through them. So our first guest today is the Ken Block RC car. This is an HPI Racing model, and this car is electric, and this is actually faster than the nitro version of this one. This can do 96 kilometers an hour in the straight line, which is really cool. And yeah, here we have the interior and the engine bay of this car. Really clean, really solid. I love this car, I have to say. And this has the 7.4 volt battery, and also you can upgrade it with the 11.1 volt battery. So yeah, pretty strong one. Now this is the Maverick DesertWolf electric RC car, and yeah, taking off the cover, everything is stock on this car apart from the aluminium front suspension, which is a masterpiece, I have to say. And this has a really muddy interior because obviously we've been using it in the mud all the time. And yeah, electric because we are saving the environment, of course. But this is the big deal, the Baja 5A from HPI Racing, and yeah, this car is brutal. It has rear-wheel drive and 10 horsepower. 10 horsepower! This is more than a scooter actually, and 10 kilos, so the power to weight ratio is pretty good as well. And you have some lamps here and also at the back. And we are taking off the cover, which is not an easy thing, I have to say. And yeah, it has a much bigger accumulator here, but also lipo, and yeah, so we should drive these. that was it for today, guys. Make sure you hit the like, hit the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel.